Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Lahmian Medium. This versatile product is essentially a clear, pigmentless paint designed to help you achieve smoother results in your miniature painting. Unlike water, it thins your paints without reducing their viscosity or causing pigment separation. It also dries to a consistent matte finish, perfectly matching the look of many other paints. Before you begin, always give your Lahmian Medium pot a good shake to ensure it's properly mixed. When preparing your paints, a common starting ratio for glazes is 1 part paint to 1 to 3 parts Lahmian Medium. You can adjust this as needed for your desired transparency. Use a clean palette to thoroughly combine your chosen paint with the medium, ensuring a smooth, even consistency. Lahmian Medium excels at creating smooth glazes, allowing for subtle color transitions and seamless blending on your miniatures. It's also perfect for thinning down your base and layer paints, ensuring a smooth, streak-free application. Additionally, you can brush it neat over decals or textured paint to unify the surface finish, making everything look cohesive and professional. For more advanced effects, apply Lahmian Medium in multiple thin layers, building up color gradually for greater control. Remember to clean your brushes immediately after use to prevent the medium from drying and hardening the bristles. Proper storage in a cool, dry place will help maintain the medium's quality, ensuring it's ready for your next painting project.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.